My car drinks fuel like a V8, but it's only a 4-cylinder. The internet tells me this sensor here is the problem. Today we're gonna find out. So before I install the new oxygen sensor, I'm actually gonna test the fuel consumption the car gets with the old oxygen sensor. So I ran my car completely out of gas, and the test we're gonna do is fill the car up with exactly 20 liters of fuel and then drive it around till it goes back to exactly where it is right now on E. And we're gonna measure the kilometers on the tachometer right here, which is set to 0. And then after I reinstall the new oxygen sensor, we're gonna redo the exact same test and we'll find out if there's any difference in the kilometers given. She's all filled up with fuel. Let's see what she's at. We're looking at just under the half tank, and the kilometers are set to 0. Let's find out how many kilometers we're gonna get. All right, so after about a week of driving, as you can see, the fuel tank is down to empty, and we were able to get 102.4 kilometers. So now it's time to put in this new oxygen sensor, and we'll redo the test and see if we get more kilometers on the 20 liters. Alright, got the old oxygen sensor out. As you can see, it looks really dirty. It's really helpful to have this tool over here to get it out. It's a 22mm. And time to put in the new oxygen sensor. Alright, the new sensor has been installed. Just heading to the gas station right now. Gonna chuck in another 20 liters. Sweet, she's all filled up. Put another 20 liters in there and gonna restart the tachometer. Let's see how many kilometers we get this time. Yo, check it out everybody. So we were able to get 131.9 kilometers on the 20 liters this time. As you can see, the fuel tank is on E. So that works out to be a 30% increase in the kilometers given on the same amount of fuel, which I would say is pretty successful. It's pretty significant, and I would definitely recommend it. Peace.